thousands of repeat crash nomenclature Air India /ANZ must tell the nation, because the nation wants to know.
Flights do not need to crash for chaos to begin. The systems simply need to stop communicating with each other. Today on ZenCrypt Technologies, we are going to talk about how these cyber attacks actually happen on these airports, what happens behind them, why certain attacks do not even make certain public headlines, and what that means for the public and national infrastructure. Stay until the end because we are going to demonstrate how a recent event in India shows just how fragile the modern aviation system has become. A modern airport is no longer just a transportation hub. It is a fully functional digital city. Every flight depends on dozens of interconnected systems operating in precise coordination. These include flight information, display systems, baggage handling information, boarding platforms, access control, identity management, and vendor accommodation integration networks. When even one of these systems fail, the impact can cascade instantly through the airport's operations. This extreme reliance on digital infrastructure makes airports some of the most high-value cyber targets in the world, often more complex than banks or hospitals. Not all cyber attacks look dramatic. In airports, the most dangerous attacks are often subtle and difficult to detect. Credential compromise allows a single stolen login to quietly grant access without triggering alarms. Internal network misconfigurations expose systems not through hacking but through human oversight. Vendor system breaches allow attackers to enter through trusted third parties rather than direct intrusion. Malware designed to disrupt rather than destroy creates confusion while remaining undetected. Many of these incidents are intentionally kept out of the public eye. Public disclosure can trigger panic, invite regulatory scrutiny, and damage trust in national infrastructure. As a result, instead of headlines, passengers experience delays, unexplained operational issues, system outages, and manual overrides. The attack remains invisible, but the impact is real. Airport infrastructure faces three major cybersecurity challenges. The first is legacy technology. Many core systems were designed decades ago, before modern cyber threat models existed. They were built for stability, not adaptability. The second challenge is extreme independence. Airlines, airports, ground handling teams, security agencies, and third party vendors all share digital access. A breach at one point can ripple through the entire ecosystem. The third challenge is prioritizing availability over security. In aviation, uptime is critical. Flights cannot simply stop. This often leads to delayed patching, relaxed access controls, and risky workarounds. Attackers understand these pressures and take advantage of them. There is an uncomfortable truth in cybersecurity. A system does not need to be hacked to fail like one. Poorly tested software updates, rigid automation rules, and systems unable to adapt to real-world complexity can produce the same outcomes as cyber attacks. These failures result in grounded flights, stranded passengers, and loss of public trust. From a cybersecurity perspective, failure is measured by impact, not by intent. That's why resilience is more important than blame. Recently, India experienced widespread flight disruptions involving a major airline. There was no confirmed cyber attack, and it is important to be clear about that. However, the situation revealed a critical reality. A modern aviation operation are deeply dependent on centralized digital systems. When these systems struggle, whether due to regulation changes, software limitations, coordination changes, the consequences appear the same to passengers. This event should not be viewed as a controversy, but as a warning. Airports must be treated as critical digital infrastructure, not merely transportation facilities. This requires a shift towards cyber resilience rather than pure prevention, the inclusion of human override mechanisms, and transparent communication during system failures. The future of aviation depends not only on safe aircraft, but on secure, adaptable, and resilient digital systems. This is ZenCrypt Technologies. We focus on awareness, not fear, because the most dangerous cyber threats are often the ones no one talks about.